Hello guys, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transform an old bed into a new modern design. So here, as you can see on the screen, I've already did cut these pieces of wood, and I'm going to be making a frame which is the one that I usually put on top of the main frame or the original headboard, so that I can increase the height. So I'm just going to be making it and then attaching it to the main frame. But if you watch the video till the end, you will understand all the steps that I've followed while transforming this old bed. Anyway, if this is the kind of videos you like, kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Watch till the end so that you follow and understand all the steps and materials that I've used in this video. So now here let me just give you a small explanation what I'm doing here. As you can see, I've already prepared the buttons that I'm going to be using to make this tufting, and as I'm showing you there are those holes that I did make, as you can see, and I'll be using that needle to pass the string through the holes. Then I'll be stapling at the back using this staple gun, but I'm going to be showing you how I did staple. I'm going to show you the back of the headboard so that you can see how I'm going to be stapling them at the back. And then everywhere that there is a board, I usually use this half-inch foam for it. So here I've already shown you how I did staple the strings at the back. That is basically how you do this tufting. So you just need to do some practice so that you can perfect your job. And then after that, I'm just going to be doing the final touches. If you haven't subscribed to our channel or like this video till this far, kindly do so. It will boost our channel. Also, it will boost this video. Thank you.